welcome to my craft workshop. Today I'm going to build a beautiful miniature bathroom suite completely from cardboard. First, Len, here's my blueprint. I'll also build a vanity, mirror, shelves, and lots of cute accessories. Time to gather everything I'll need. I'll use sturdy cardboard for the structure, glue for assembly, paint for color, and decorative stickers for the finishing touches. Now let's build the bathtub frame. I carefully cut curved cardboard pieces and connect them together like a giant puzzle. Look at that! It's starting to look like a real bathtub already. Wow! It's shiny already. The big moment has arrived. Let's test the bathtub and see if it really works. It's filling up perfectly. We did it! The bathtub passed the test. Now it's officially functional. Now for my favorite part, the accessories. I'm creating shelves, baskets, soap dispensers, and fluffy towels. Small details make a big difference in any room. Everything looks so cute and organized. Welcome to the grand reveal of my DIY bathroom suite. Take a look at the proud of how it turned out. Remember, with creativity and patience, you can build amazing things too. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and let me know which part was your favorite. And be sure to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of our future DIY. Thanks for watching. Stay creative, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video.